What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon, hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on the Joe token from the Trader Joe decentralized exchange platform, which is, I followed this coin quite a bit over the last, last couple of weeks since it's been very bullish, but I never really made a video on it. Which is a bit of a weird thing, but alright, it happened. But still, today we actually got a major bullish breakout, in my eyes at least. So I wanted to make a full video on that, in which we'll also dive a little bit into the fundamentals of the Trader Joe platform. I think a lot of people holding, trading, investing in Joe are interested in that as well, and that's one of the key reasons why we have been performing this well. So we'll talk about that as well, and just in general my goal is to give you as much of a thorough overview of everything related to Joe. So that's what we'll do. Before we get into Joe specifically though, if you want to receive daily trading signals by me, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. Now onto Joe. First of all, today very strong. We're up about 15%. Volume is about is 100 million right now compared to the market cap. Amazing. Also, almost all coming from great sources. I really like that almost most of the volume for Joe comes from their own DeFi platform. Now, before we talk about the technicals, which I have a lot to talk about, I think, or I have a lot to say about. Let's take a look at some key metrics. I wanted to take a look at trading volume on their DEX and total value locked. This is the last 180 days. It's not as high as what it once was, but obviously in 2022 the entirety of DeFi got hit quite massively. But you can see that since it has a massive correlation with since the market became a little bit more bullish as well. But ever since the 8th, 9th of January, we actually became quite strong again. Or Joe became. The trading volume, as you can see, it peaked really well, technically around the 11th of March, but during the whole month of March, we were very strong. Dropped down a bit at the beginning of April, but right now we are still very, very strong. Total value locked has grown as well. Total value locked is actually almost at its highest level. Now that's obviously because, partially also because Joe's price is this high. A lot of the value is also locked in their own token, of course. But yeah, so it's been performing very well. And then to kind of have a cherry on top of the cake, we broke above our main resistance level, which in my eyes was 69 cents, which is a not really a psychological resistance level. But even if you think 70 cents is, then it looks like we'll break above that as well. But it does have the 618 fib, and altogether this was just a massive resistance level, which by the way, we also shorted in the signal group from here all the way down to here, down to here, I think, by the way. All right. But now we've broken above that. So really the next resistance level is this huge level between 80 cents and 75 cents. And I think we're going up there. Bitcoin is very strong as well, so that bullish momentum is helping us. But altogether, I think even if we need to drop down a little bit, now I would say we have like 69 and 68, 67 as a support. So even if that happens, I still would think that the next stop is 75 and 76 cents and that we will get there. So that's my take on Joe for now. I mean, if for some reason we drop down all the way, down to 66 cents again, then we are in some trouble. Then we'll drop down all the way to 64 and 63, and from there we'll probably try again to break above 69 cents. But that's not something I expect. I would only see that happening if we get a lot of bearish momentum in the markets, from Bitcoin for example, and that's not something I expect for now. So let me know if you'd like more updates on Joe. For now though, this is my update. This is my take. So if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.